there, little brainiacs. Welcome to Kool Kreative Mingle. Don't miss out. Subscribe now and join our community.
Once upon a time, in a mystical forest tucked away from ordinary eyes, lived Olive, the wisest owl among her kind. Her feathers were a blend of deep browns and soft creams, and her eyes gleamed with the light of ancient knowledge. Olive was known not only for her wisdom but for being a trusted courier for the wise creatures of the forest. One evening, as the golden sun sank below the horizon, Olive was summoned by the great elder tree, a grand and towering oak that had stood for centuries. Olive, the tree spoke in a deep, resonating voice carried by the whispering wind. A magical scroll has been entrusted to us by the moon muse, and it must reach the star elder by the time the moon sets. The scroll, the elder tree explained, held the key to unlocking the night's brilliance. Without it, the stars would lose their glow, and the night sky would fade into a dim canvas. Understanding the gravity of her mission, Olive accepted the scroll with a solemn nod. The path to the Star Elder was fraught with challenges. First, Olive had to navigate through Crystal Creek, where mischievous water sprites tried to distract her. "Come play with us, Olive," they chimed in chorus. But Olive, intent on her task, gracefully declined. "Perhaps another night," she hooted, with her eyes fixed on the path ahead. With the creek behind her, Olive soared across the whispering thickets, where vines wrapped playfully around her wings, whispering secrets of the earth. "Do not linger," she reminded herself, and with a gentle twist, she freed her feathers, avoiding delay. The moon sailed higher and higher, a silvery beacon urging her onward. But the final test lay in the starlight meadows, home to the cunning night fox. The fox was known for his tricks, and as Olive landed, he appeared with a sly grin. "What brings you out at this hour, wise Olive?" he inquired, circling her slowly. "A mission of great importance," she replied, clutching the scroll tightly. Night Fox's eyes glinted with curiosity and cunning, but Olive knew better than to be swayed. "The night shall lose its spark without this," Olive said with a firmness that hinted at pride. Night Fox, sensing Olive's earnest determination, relented. "Then haste, brave owl," he said, stepping aside with a graceful gesture. With the moon beginning its descent, Olive flew faster than the twilight breeze, finally reaching the dome-like cave where the Star Elder resided. The Elder was an owl of immense wisdom, whose feathers shimmered with starlight. Olive, the Star Elder greeted, acknowledging the completion of her journey. She offered the scroll with outstretched wings, a gesture of both relief and triumph. The Star Elder unrolled the parchment, murmuring words that shimmered like diamonds in the night air. Soon, the stars burst into their full glittering glory, casting twinkling lights across the forest. "You have saved the night, Olive," the Star Elder praised. Within her heart, Olive felt the warmth of accomplishment. As Olive returned to her roost, her mission complete, the forest seemed to hum with life and wonder. And as for Olive, she tucked herself in with stories of the stars, dreams filled with moonlit adventures and mysteries yet to unfold. From that night on, whenever the stars twinkled brightly, the creatures of the forest would remember the brave and wise Olive, whose dedication ensured the world beneath the stars remained as magical as ever.
Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share with your friends, and subscribe to stay updated on all my latest videos. Thanks for being part of